Well, hello, ladies and gents. We have a GSX-R125. Where's my phone? Welcome, guys, back to another video, and we are going for a ride. But instead of the Yamaha, we are going on. Oh my god, the GSX-R! Oh my god, look at the bum. Oh my god. Yeah. So basically, that's what we're going on. I'm gonna blur all this name out and stuff, and I'll be like, oh, that's a KTM. But yeah, instead of the blue bike this time, we're going to be taking the GSX-R out. So we've got the blue one, we've got the black one. I need to figure out how to actually use this one, and we have got no firm mount, so we're just going to put our things away. The GSX-R125 is a lot faster too. A lot quicker acceleration. I really hope this guy doesn't scuff me. And we have a flip plate with this one. As you can see, it flips ups and down, and then the chain is a bit loose, but it is what it is. If we die, we die. And his tyres are monstrosity, absolute diabolical. Anyway, we're going to take this for a nice little spin. I told him if I get pulled over or anything, all the blame is on me. What's up?
If you're going to get pictures of the bike, obviously for whatever reason, take the plate off.
Your plate's not going to be shown.
Right, sound.
Don't worry. Dude, this guy's stressing. Don't stress.
Okay, but it's only got clips.
Just showing it off. I was showing the camera. You better start praying. So now we've just got to figure out how it works, because it is a keyless start bike, and oh my god, it is tiny. Like, look how easy I'm flat footing that. That is diabolical. Start it now. Okay, I think we've just turned it on. I think. Oh, we've done something. This keyless start is really weird. We are gonna have to fill up the bike. All right. It definitely sounds a lot different to my bike. Oh god, it's going to feel so weird riding this. Oh, the shifter's bent too, just like mine, but mine's been fixed a little bit. But yeah, it's a very tiny bike. Honestly, I think it's the smallest sports 125 you can get, but it's also the fastest. Apparently, they've got a 150cc engine in them. I'm not sure how true that is, but we'll find that out. Oh my god, finding that gear is so horrendous. Where's his biting point? Oh my god, it's so far out. Right, let's go. Oh, this bike's so weird, man. Oh no, the shifter's tiny, bro. This is honestly diabolical. Oh, let's get on to, let's avoid the lights. But it feels really smooth, I can't lie. And I don't know what the point of this mirror is at this point. It's so loose. Yeah, that's cooked. Yeah, the gear, I do not like that gear shifter. Oh, and with this bike, I feel like I'm stood up. I don't feel like I'm in a sports position at all. You can wait there. Thank you. Oh god, but that gear shifter is so short. There's not enough room for my massive 9.5 feet. But the acceleration is a lot quicker than mine, I can tell. Oh, Jesus Christ. These are going to ruin my shoes. Because look how much room. Oh, there's just not enough. I mean, I guess I am a gay GSX-R rider. Like, I need to make it fit nice and tight. Sorry. I honestly hope no family members are seeing this. But yeah, this exhaust is a lot more louder. It pops and bangs more. But this mirror is just not doing anything in the slightest. I don't even know why he has it on. He might as well just take it off. We have got the plate flipped backwards, don't we? Yeah, we do. This is so... I feel so gay. Like, you're not arched. Like this is just like you stood up. It's just so small, and I'm 6 foot with shoes on. Yeah, but the acceleration is a lot more aggressive than mine. I miss my blue bike though. I still think my bike looks way better compared to this. Oh, I've actually got to check my blind spots with my own eyes now by turning it around. So my bike red line's about 10. This red line's about 12. Oh god, leaning this bike's awful, by the way. But yeah, absolute gorgeous weather. This is one of the last sunny days we'll have in the UK, because recently it's been absolute awful, and it's freezing now. It's been extremely windy, wet. Like this morning it was soaked, but the sun came out. I was like, this is a perfect opportunity to try out the GSX-R and showcase you guys compared to the R125. Oh my god, I hate turning on this. Maybe I'll get used to it, maybe I won't. Christ almighty. Now it depends if we can even like bloody know how to get the key out. So I think, yeah, we do it like that. Boom. That's, oh, this one's nice. This one stays compact. Mine just comes out as a whole, and it really annoys me. We're going to put E5 for him because we're generous like that. I'm going to put in like £6. There we are. God, I hate gay GSX-R riders. What is this keyless start? See, this bike will actually go into neutral. Oh, there we are. I was going to say. And it shows you the gear on the screen. My bike doesn't show that because I'm not a bitch. That needs to see it. I'll play a bit cheeky here. There we are. Cut through the cars like that. This guy, by the way, can we just mention this guy's got duct tape on his bike because he's crashed it multiple times because he's a jigsaw rider. Why wouldn't he crash? I'll cut forward so we can get to some main roads. I can show you the acceleration, the true speed of it. If you're a woman and you want to get into 125 bikes, this is definitely a good bike for you because I'm assuming being a woman you're usually going to be shorter and smaller feet. So let's do a little pull in third. So we got up to 52 quite quick actually. There's always a cop car there, so I always got to be careful. Oh Jesus, I don't even know if I'm going to feel safe overtaking on this thing. When we get to main roads, I'm going to flip the plate because then I don't get reported by dash cam. Because as you guys probably heard from the last video, I've been reported 3 times. But honestly, to be fair, it rides smooth. It's quite a comfy bike. Like you stood up, your back isn't arched, it's quite straight. It's like probably like a Honda 650 or Honda 500R. You know what I mean? They've got that more sit-up position, but they still, and the handlebars are quite high up, more close together like this, so like you're more just in a natural state, which I personally don't like it because I like to think I'm on a crotch rocket, even on a 125. Soon I will be when I get a 1000. Oh yeah, the acceleration is so much better. Holy! I see why his bike's so much quicker than mine now. Oh, look how beautiful that looks though. That's like really nice. Look at those wind turbines going with the nice bluish kind of sunset skies. So it's kind of starting to set now. And there's only, what, like 5 o'clock if that. But yeah, I really love the acceleration of this bike. Oh my god, I wish my bike had this. But now I see why this guy destroys me everywhere, every time we try and race. Like, I'll be full tuck, this guy will be stood up, full throttling. I'll be full throttling, fully turtle tucking, everything, right? And this guy will just cruise past me. Sorry, dude. That's crazy. The speed, bro, is unreal. It makes me want to get a jigsaw. I might honestly have to sell my bike. But I like looks too. Looks matter very much to me. So if I'm on a bike that looks hideous but it's fast, I still want a good looking bike like mine. Yeah, it's slower, but I just like the look of it more. I don't know when to downshift. I don't know what the gearing's like on this. Yeah, this is so much better than mine. Oh my god, the tyres slip a lot easier though. My tyres are way better than these. Holy crap, man. And he's been doing burnouts on them like crazy. Oh, my phone's gonna fall out of my pocket. I didn't even realise. Jeez, this acceleration is actually so much better than my bike. Like, I didn't realise it'd be this different. I've run this bike before, but I've never actually like gone to full pelt for it. And wait for the double lines to go away. Getting better with the shift. But I still won't trust doing corners on this. Oh my god. Oh, we've got a bit of gear slippage. Just gotta be careful. So I know he likes clutch and shift as well, but I rev match on the way down and then I clutch and shift up. That's how I've always done it. Because I try and quick shift up with the clutch, but it's not really efficient. But I can see why this guy's managed to run from cops on this as well. Obviously I will not name the driver, the owner, or anything, but keep that on the low. But honestly, it is actually a great bike, I can't lie. But I'm starting to love it more now because of the acceleration. But knowing that he's crashed like 4 times on this just makes me feel unsafe. Knowing how bad the tyres are, knowing that it's obviously, these tyres are a lot thinner compared to mine too. I think these are, maybe hundreds at the front and then 130 at the back, and mine's 140 at the back and 110 at the front. Don't you pull out? Oh shit. Oh god, there's cops there. Oh, we'll go down this way. Well, that was unfortunate. I really wanted to go the dual carriageway, but I don't think we can now. Oh, it feels good to get back up to some speed. Man, we're flying. The wind's with us right now. Oh, we're gonna get some. If we can find a straight somewhere, then that'd be great. I know there's a straight. There's two straights, and if there's no cars, definitely be able to get a top speed run. I'm just really disappointed that we couldn't go on the dual carriageway. Oh, there's so many cars. That's crazy. I almost got 70 miles an hour in 4th gear. Nah! What? Nah! Why have I got Yamaha, bro? Why don't I get a gay-ass Jigsaw? Holy crap, man. I guess it does help this bike being all black as well, so it'll be a bit faster, because it's good from running. Anyway, I don't want this video to be too long for you guys either. Like, I really apologise if this is over 10 minutes long, because it shouldn't be. We didn't go that far. I try to cut a lot of the yapping about, because I realised when editing a video, I yap so much that I'm so worried that I don't talk enough, that I talk too much. Wait for these double white lines to go away, especially. Oh my days, look how many cars there are. Come on guys, let me get to the front. There we are. We're at the front now. That's good. This is on an incline too of wind. I'm scared with these tyres, I don't want to go in the corners too harsh. But the acceleration's a lot quicker to get to these speeds, especially with how much wind I'm getting right now. Honestly, my bike wouldn't even be getting 65 right now. Like dead ass. Alright, let's take it easy now. Oh boy. 4th gear pull from 44. Look how fast we're at 60 already. What? That's crazy. 72 miles an hour in 4th gear. Are you kidding me right now? I think I'm in love. Who's this behind me? Oh, is this Dylan? You right? Yeah, it's Marcus's. I'm making a video. Ah, it's a Duke guy. This guy's crazy. Oh, okay. That guy's mental. Don't be like that guy though. Okay, guys? He's like a mate of mine, but honestly, the way he rides is atrocious. And that is the GSX-R125. for you guys compared to the R125. So this is obviously, personally, I think this bike looks a lot better, but then this bike is a lot faster. But man, the acceleration difference and top speed is crazy. The top speed is the same, but his bike gets there, mine doesn't. That's the thing, especially when it's windy, you just can't tank it at all. So yeah, if you guys want more content like this, let me know. And I'll see what other bikes I can get to, because I know I could do a Ninja 125 if you guys want me to. Potentially, I'm not sure if he would let me, but we'll have a look. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you enjoyed the geyser.